Oh, good Lord, have mercy. Somebody help! Oh, God, somebody help! Oh, God! Oh, good Lord, have mercy. Oh, my God. Ow, ow. Ow, my back. Oh, my back. Oh, where did this mask come? Where did this fucking mask? I have this mask on my head. Oh, my hat. Okay, hold on. Oh, let's not make sure that the flies don't get in. Gotta be a good house guest. Oh my God, somebody help! Somebody help! What am I gonna do? I killed everyone already. They're all dead. What the fuck? What do I do? Somebody help! Oh my God, what am I going to do? Maybe if I hide. Let me hide behind this chair. Maybe he won't see me. Oh my God, my back hurts. Oh my God, this is so painful. Oh my God, what am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? What's that noise upstairs? What is that? Who the fuck? I can't feel my wrist. I think I broke all the bones in my body. You! Oh, aren't you that guy? Aren't you Jason Voorhees? You! I'm going to help you. I'm your friend. You, my friend. Yeah, I know. Yeah, you're my friend. Yeah, definitely. You're my... What's going on in here? Did you guys forget about someone? You guys are stupid. I'm back. You never killed me to begin with. You can't kill the king of hell. I gotta fart really badly. Where the hell's the restroom? Whatever. Daddy got new shoes. You like these Skechers? Only $59.99. Plus tax, biatch. Get on my... You, friend. It's okay. Oh, it's okay. I'll take care of this. What are you looking at? Penis head. Who are you calling? Penis face. Pregnancy test positive. Where's my chainsaw? Your face looks like a scrotum. You like that? I don't like being deep-throated. Yeah, my fan. Somebody get the steel chairs. Friend, get the steel chairs, hurry. We're about to have a wrestling match. You're gonna die today, sweetheart. You guys are both dead. Not me, you fool. Oh, my back. Call 911. This is my chance. Elbow drop. Count it, ref. 1, 2, 3. I win. No, you don't. You don't win this one today, Freddie Greenwood. I hope Daddy liked that one. Did Daddy like that one, sweetheart? I'm better than you. Nice try, sweetie. No one can beat me at anything I do. That's what I'm talking about, because I'm a real G. Yeah.
It's okay, friend. I'm in a lot of pain right now. I think my back is broken. Thank you for helping me. Get this guy off me, please. I can't breathe.
Oh. Are you okay? I think this belongs to you. Thank you so much for helping me. I appreciate it. Freddie Greenwood, I'm not done with you sweetie.
Oh, great work, friend. Now, we can be best friends forever.
Yeah, no problem at all. No problem at all, Jason. Face, Leatherface, whatever your name is. High five, nice work.
High five.
Wait, hold on.
But I'm afraid I have to go home now. I think my wife is waiting for me. Have a great day. Thank you, Josh.
But I'm sorry, you can't leave yet. Nobody's leaving today. I'm gonna make sure this is all done today. All of you are dead. This looks like a job for... Yes! You think you're going anywhere, sweetheart? If there's something strange in your neighborhood, who are you gonna call, sweetheart? You're gonna call me. And guess what? You guys are all done. So goodbye!
No, no, put that away. You're crossing the streams. Don't do it. You're gonna blow us all up.
Dumbass.
Welcome back. We take you back 30 minutes now and watch as that home just absolutely explodes 30 minutes ago. And now we want to take you live and show you exactly what's left of it, which is all of nothing.
It's nothing.
This is a